Hi there, Renai Herbs here again, and I'm here with another tip. I'm here to teach you guys how to use Facetune to edit your pictures so your pictures are looking crispy, clean, like this or like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so sit back, relax, and learn one or two from me. Video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below what you think about this video and what you would want to see in my next video. All right, let's get into this video. Let's go. So this is Facetune 2 app on my iPhone, and I'm going to start with retouch. Under retouch, you have your whiting. I use whiting on the background and any other white thing in the picture. Basically, I just use the white all over it. As you can see, I'm putting it over my background. I'll still go into it. So now I'm increasing it to the highest so I can see where exactly I've put the white on it. So I would still adjust it later as we continue this video. I just want to see where I'm touching well, because if it's lower, I won't be able to know the exact spot I've put the whiting on. I added a little bit of whitening on the back because I wanted it to shine a little bit more. So now I'm going to my glasses where my ring lights are showing on my glasses. I just want it to shine a little bit more, and I also add white to my glow on my face because it just adds more glow to it, basically highlights to it. So I'm now adjusting it to about 70. And yeah, going back and forth to see the difference, to see if I'm okay with it. I can reduce it the more or increase it. So now going to smooth. I just smoothen out my face a little bit, though there isn't much to do here because I'm on glasses and all. But it's just alright. If you need it, you can just put it all over your face, but you have to go back and forth to see if it's too much or if it's not enough. Can reduce and increase it. I'm just going to add a little bit of white, or I'm going to clean the white if it's a little bit too much. So yeah, because that's the eraser sign you see by the side of the white. If you want to remove it, by the side of each icon, you see the eraser sign is for when you want to remove it from wherever you placed it. So I don't use the icons you see that they put try on, because those are the ones you have to pay for. So going into details, I'm going to put details on my scarf because I want the scarf design to show more. I want the bag to show more so it can be bolder in the picture, because it's not really clear. This picture was a screenshot from a video, so it's not really clear. So I have to do all this to make it come out, to stand out, my outfit to stand out, so I'll not look blurred out. So basically just making everything, all my clothes. I don't put details on my face, but I put it on my eyes when I normally edit my pictures. I'll do another tutorial to show you guys when I use details on my eyes. So going into glow, I add glow to the background because this also makes it look brighter and look everything more whiter. The background like an extra brightness that will make it stand out. Then I reduce it because if it's looking too much, it might look a little bit crazy. So going back and forth, trying to see what I like, if I like it higher or lesser. If you're still watching this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know why you're doing that, but it's okay, it's fine. So just subscribe right now because I'm going to have more and more tips to give you guys on this channel. So yeah, basically I just put glow on the scarf, on the bag, on my glasses, and on my face. I added like a blush on my makeup just to make the blush look stand out a little bit more. So I don't use conceal, I don't use matte, I do not use cleans. Just make sure you don't use any of the features that you put try on, because those ones are, you have to pay for it. So now going into vibrant, it just adds a little bit of warmth to the things I'm wearing, like the brown. I'm just adding it, and the picture in the background. I'm adding it on it some little bit of vibrance. You can still use vibrance for blush also, but it comes out a lot, so I have to reduce it. Yeah, so I put it all over my scarf, I put it all over my bag, and I put it on the picture on the wall. I increased the light so I could see better, because I like to increase when I'm editing my pictures. I make sure the picture, my phone is in the highest so I can see everything. So now I have to go back and look at if there's any mistake or if there's anything like showing up. I noticed that my face was looking a little bit rough, so I had to go back and adjust it. And I had to clean off some of this smoothing because it was a little bit too much. So I'm just going back and forth. The icon by the right that I keep on pressing at the top right. Next, we have face. You can reduce your head on this app. Wild, right? So you have jaw, you have smile. You can increase your smile, you can increase your smirk, or you can increase your face width or reduce it. So going right is increasing, going left is reducing, basically. So I go to the filters. You have filters, you have eyes, you have neon. So now on eyes, if my eyes were actually showing on this picture, you'd have been able to put in contact in your eyes on this app. But yeah, we can't do this because my eyes aren't showing. I'm just showing you guys what we have on the app that are free, basically. You can also whiten, increase it, reduce it. Going right is increasing, going left is reducing, basically. So you can see there's also the hair. You can change your hair color with this app, but this is for the, you have to pay for this. As you can see, anyone you see try icon on it, you have to pay for it. There's clothes, there's backdrop, there's light fix, there's backlight, but I don't use all those. I just use edit and retouch. So under edit, this is what we have here. We have brightness, we have color, contrast, but I use brightness. I increase it, I go back and forth to see if I like it. I use color. Adds a little bit of warmth to it. Then sharpen, because the picture isn't really clear because it's a screenshot from a video. Then I also use lights to just increase the light, because this picture was an indoor picture, just a little bit. Shadows, if you go to the left, it makes it darker. If you go to the right, it makes it brighter, basically. Then you have the highlights, the same thing. Go right, increase, go left, reduce. You just have to be going back and forth to see if it's enough. I also advise you write down the numbers on the exact number you edited it to, so you can use the same edit for your other pictures that you took at the same place, because this app you can't copy and paste edits to pictures. So I advise you just write down the numbers, like structure, maybe use structure 40 and just write it down somewhere. So you can also crop with this app. You can crop your picture to any way you like it to be, cut off anything you don't want to have in the picture. So that's what I'm doing now. So yeah, then you save it. Then the top right, you see your save icon, you download, and yeah, not now, and saved to your gallery. And we're done. So I'm zooming in to show you guys everything back and forth to see the difference. Like, wow. Beautiful. I love this Facetune 2 app. It's really good, and I hope you guys have been able to learn one or two from this, because it's it's a really nice app, and features I use are free. You don't have to pay for anything. Yeah, so that's my tip for today. Yeah, okay, now we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys learned one or two things to make your pictures look better on Instagram, basically using Facetune and all the free features on Facetune. So if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do whatever you gotta do for your girl. And I'll see you guys in my next. Bye, loves.